talk a little bit about transit-oriented development?
Sure. So I think that when you're talking about TOD, there's a fundamental difference when you look at projects that are in urban locales versus more suburban. When you're in an urban environment, transit is kind of an inherent infrastructure component of the makeup of that municipality. Car ridership is conceivably lower. You're usually in communities that are much denser, that have a lot more downtown pedestrian activity, as well as a much larger mix of different types of users and programs. When you're in a more suburban environment, TOD, I think there's a misperception about that comes with municipalities thinking, oh, we have a train station, let's build a transit village. And the realities of transportation in more suburban communities, there's a direct correlation to the quality of the transportation and where that transportation is taking you and where the job employment drivers are coming from. So I'm a mixed-use and multifamily developer. When I look at TODs in suburban locations, to me, TOD really means that I'm using the transit to create that critical mass of community, and it becomes an amenity to that community as opposed to becoming the driving reason why people are moving to that location. As opposed to being in an urban environment like a Newark, like a Jersey City, where you're either working in that city or you're working in Manhattan and you're taking a one-seat ride. Suburban transit is inherently, it's a longer commute. Inherently, it's more often than not, you're connecting on some other mode of transportation or a two-seat ride. So it really becomes an opportunity to create a critical mass around that transportation and use your existing community as the driver as to why people should be coming.